Did you know that the best views of the northern lights in Iceland cost absolutely nothing? Keep watching and we will show you how to find them. Hey there, this is We the Trippers.
Hi! So today we are diving into the best way to catch the northern lights in Iceland.
And guess what? No expensive tours involved.
Exactly. When we landed in Iceland, we were so excited. That very night, we wanted to chase the lights.
Yep, we started checking out tours, but they were all very pricey, like $80 to $100 per person.
And for what? A bus ride to some random spot, a cup of hot chocolate, and good luck looking at the northern lights yourself.
Right, so we thought why not we try this on our own? And guess what? The moment we stepped outside, we spotted something faintly green in the sky.
Took a photo, and bam! It was the northern lights. Then we headed to the iconic Sun Voyager statue in Reykjavik.
But it wasn't ideal. With so much light pollution, the northern lights were faint and there were crowds everywhere.
We even drove to a lighthouse nearby thinking it would be quieter.
We got stuck in traffic for an hour just trying to park our car.
Day one was a total disappointment. But then we had done our research already. We had been tracking Northern Lights prediction on a website for more than a month.
And we had planned our trip so that we were in Iceland during new moon, so that the skies are super dark.
Also, one more tip. Stay in the hotels far from city lights. And when you are driving during the day, look for some good spots that you can visit at night.
Exactly. At around 11 pm, we would hop in the car, drive to a dark spot, and just wait. But make sure that you do not park your car on the roadside.
Oh, and one hotel we stayed in Selfoss had a WhatsApp group where they would alert the guests when the lights appeared, and guests would share their pictures as well.
That group made such a difference. We were able to get inputs on the best angles and directions to click pictures. But our best sighting was near Skogafoss.
First, we were in an open field with a 360-degree view, totally stunning.
But the real show was when we drove closer to the waterfall, with the lights dancing just above the mountains.
It was surreal. But here's the thing, there's no perfect spot for the northern lights. Just find a dark empty space and you're good.
Also, get comfortable practicing using your camera in the night mode and low light photography. Else you will spend a lot of time just struggling with your camera.
Also keep a tripod handy. You cannot capture northern lights without the camera being really stable.
Our advice, skip the tours. Rent a car, check the forecast and drive out of the city. Plan at least 3 nights out of Reykjavik for northern lights. And don't limit northern lights to just one night.
And don't forget warm clothes, a thermos of hot chocolate, and a good camera. And trust us, you don't need any tours for this. Experiencing northern lights is so much better when you find them all by yourselves and not with a bus full of tourists.
Absolutely. Happy hunting. Do like this video if it has helped you to plan the Northern Lights experience and subscribe us for more such videos. Until next time.
Until next time.